Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to hide like and view counts on your Instagram post like this. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. Sometimes social media might not be the best place for people's mental health. Getting no likes or no views sometimes affects the person's esteem. In order to combat this, Instagram have introduced the option to hide like and view counts on the user's post. So to begin with, let's open up your Instagram app. Now tap on your profile picture at the bottom right. Select a post from your profile where you want to hide the like and the view count. As you can see, there are views and likes on this post. Now tap on the three dots, then tap on hide like and view counts. This will hide like and view counts from other people viewing this post. To view them, tap on it where it says liked by. This will show you all the likes and view count on the post. Only you can view this information. To unhide the like and view counts, tap on the three dots again, then tap on unhide like and view counts. Instagram have also added this feature when you post a video or a post to your Instagram feed. This will save you the hassle of going into the post later on to hide or unhide the like and the view count. Now when you're posting your Instagram post, on the last page, scroll down and tap on Advanced Settings. Now here at the top, enable hide like and video counts on this post. And there you go, that is how to hide like and view counts on your Instagram post. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.